Hello, this is Yara from Bars TV. We will tell you the weather of tomorrow. Here's Aham to talk about the weather in Erbil.
Thank you, Yaran. Tomorrow, Erbil is going to be sunny and windy.
Thank you, Aham. Now let's welcome Lizan to tell us the weather in Duhok.
Thank you, Yaran. Tomorrow, the Hog will be sunny and cool weather.
Thank you, Lizan. Now let's welcome Nai to tell us the weather in Slimani.
Thank you, Yaran. Tomorrow, the weather in Slimani is going to be rainy and cloudy. Don't forget your umbrella. Winter is coming. Prepare yourself.
Thank you, Nai. Thank you, everybody. See you next time. Bye.